In this video, we have a quick and thorough tutorial for Sofi. This is step by step, and it's because of everything that's been happening. Let's learn how to invest with Sofi with fractional shares or complete shares. Hi Raylinaires, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today because we get to talk about Sofi. I've been using this platform for about 3 months now and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to share a full and quick tutorial with you so you can get the basics, you can understand everything that's happening on the platform, and we can do this quick and thoroughly. Let's get started. Oh, and before we do, please leave a like and please subscribe to this channel so you can get more investing news. Remember, I'm Supergirl Investor and we are here to save the world and make you wealthy. If you don't have Sofi, you should, but I do have a link below in the description box. It is an affiliate link. I get a little bit of money and you get a lot of bit of money if you sign up with my code. On this app, you can purchase stock, bonds, or ETFs. This is an app that's backed by one of my favorite people with ticker symbol IPOE. Chamath is known for investing only in companies that 10x, so we are excited to see the prospects of this one. You can buy either fractional or partial shares of each stock. You can also buy cryptocurrency, so you can buy your favorite Bitcoin or Ethereum. So this is really cool because it's not only an investor app, it actually has a lot of other things that it does. Chamath said it was the AWS for It's basically a one-stop shop for all of your investing and financial needs. They recently partnered with MasterCard to make sure that they have a checking system with no additional fee. And you can actually get a credit card now. You can earn up to 2% unlimited cash when you invest in it. There's also no additional annual fee. But besides that, you can also apply for a mortgage, you can pay off your home loan and pay off your student loans within this app. You can get financing for small businesses and you can also get a student loan. You can use this to place your money into without an additional fee. And also if you want, you can use this for a personal loan. So it's very secure, first of all, and we're going to use the iPhone iOS. Let's jump into my phone and see what it's all about and go step by step. Once you open an account, and again, you can use the link in my description, you'll get $50 once you deposit $100. And once you deposit the $100, you will get an email asking you to confirm and you can set up your app. Now I'm using my public account. I also have a private account as well that I have a lot of more money in, but this is for tutorials. So we're going to start with Sofi Money. So if you just go up to the first line, it says Sofi Money on it. Right now, what we're going to talk about is the $5 spending balance, which I only have 5 because I'm using the public account. Currently, the APY is 0.01%. But there's no fees, so it's a nice place to just hold your cash before you're ready to invest it. So here it shows the total balance. You can deposit via mobile, so you just have to take a little picture of your check and it will deposit right away. You can also transfer using your bank, and you can pay bills with this. You can also pay via a paycheck. And as I said, they have a new feature of a debit card and a credit card that you can use. They have fee-free ATMs. And then there's also a few benefits for Sofi Money benefits. So there's a way to earn up to 0.25% on your APY on your balance. And that's if you have monthly deposits of $500 or more. You can also get exclusive cashback rewards for qualifying accounts. You also get Sofi member benefits. So you can get some financial planning, get personal advice from credentialed advisors, which is really nice. You can also get referral bonuses if you refer any of your friends and they use your code. You can get a little bit for that as well, which makes you an affiliate. You can get a discount on your next loan if you're a member of Sofi. And also if you want to create a will, you can draft it. They just partnered with Ladder to make estate planning easy. They have some really big perks with community events. They have a Facebook group if you would like to be a part of that. And then they have live events and a Sofi stadium. And also they have some study and career tools as well. They have a new discount of getting $400 off college entrance test prep courses for your students. So that's pretty nice. They have some tools to help you with your career as well as career advice. And they also have help with the unemployment protection program and college finances. Also, they have the homepage which is where you can see your money, where you can see your investments and how much you're making. You can see your connected accounts, your credit card, which is right now 2% cash back, and you can check your credit score as well. This literally does everything, and I absolutely love it. It's basically like a digital wallet in your pocket, but it's also for any other financial decision you will ever make in your life. So we're going to go to this little icon that says invest at the bottom, and you can see right now I have $19.88 invested. Right now it's down 0.23%. If you would like to create a new account, you can create a new account in the middle, and it says what type of investing would you like to start. So you can start in IRA investing, or you can let Sofi invest for me, which is just it's automated investing. If you want to actively invest, choose the IRA. Invest for the future with a tax optimized IRA. Now an IRA is really nice because it essentially helps you with tax benefits, and especially if you do a Roth IRA. An SEP IRA is for self-employed people, and a traditional IRA is essentially for people who are a little bit older. So we're just going to go with Roth IRA. Contributions to a Roth IRA are not tax deductible, but qualified distributions are tax free. And then click next. Basically it asks you to fill out some information, and then next, and then it's your phone number, about your employment status, your citizen status, and then your social security. They just need to use that for any investment platform. Don't be worried about that one because it's very safe, it's very secure. Financial institutions just need to have your social security. It has some regulatory requirements, and then just click the boxes and say you agree, and then you can start adding money into your account. If you already have an account, you can use that one. I have Bank of America, so we're going to use that. We're going to add, and where it says frequency, this is recurring revenue. So basically, if you want a certain amount taken out every month, every 2 weeks, weekly, or for this just to be one time, note it does automatically make it monthly, so it will be reoccurring monthly, so just be aware of that, but you can put it one time. We'll do one time for now, but it's nice because you can set it and forget it. How would you like to contribute? Income limits apply. So with an IRA, you can usually only deposit $5,500 annually, but if you want to set up another account, you can do that as well. You can have as many accounts as you want on here. I'll say IRA contribution. What year are you contributing to? Current year, and then it has you review, and just click done. You can also add a recurring deposit if you would like to. So now you'll see that I have an individual account and a Roth IRA. You can also create an individual account for cryptocurrencies, so you can buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. So once your funds are approved, once your bank account is approved, you will go into your investing account. Let's go into my individual account. So in this account, you can see what I have in my holdings. It says my investments, and I did have $5 of Amazon, and you can see through activity that I have a scheduled deposit. I have a scheduled deposit that's reoccurring monthly, and it's just $5, but every little bit counts, and it's $5 less spending for a Starbucks coffee. And this actually improves my future, kind of, maybe, hopefully. So we're going to do our first investment into Sofi. Just click on search. In the search bar, click the stock that you would like to buy. I would like to buy ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. Click on the buy at the end of it. You'll also note that today was a big down day in the market overall. There was a sell-off. It was Friday. It's currently negative 5% at 793. If you look at the 3-month chart, which I do, you can see that it is at a dip. We want to buy at the dips, so just keep that in mind for investing in the future. So click buy. You want to add a recurring investment that you do each month. So say you want to put $5 into Tesla each month, you can automatically set that up, but click buy. Going to go with $1. You can also purchase shares of this. And if you purchase a share, you can look at the market order, which is basically whatever price is on the market right now, or you can set a limit order, which is basically whatever price you're willing to pay for it. And then once the market is at that price, that's when you get that order. So we're just going to go back to dollars and just do $1. review at the bottom, place order, and then it's done. And that was literally 3 steps. That was so easy. When you're looking at each stock, you can see the about page and it will tell you what this company is all about. You should probably do DD on the company first, but it's nice to see just to make sure that you're investing in the correct stock. For details, you can see the low of the day, the high of the day, what it opened at, the 52-week low, which is very interesting for Tesla, and the 52-week high. It did get up to $900. There is a current average price target of around $1,000 to $1,200. You can see the volume of the day, the average daily volume, the market cap, which is what it's valued at with its shares, the PE ratio, and the dividend yield. Some stocks provide a dividend. Tesla is not one of those stocks. It tells you that it's more volatile than the market. Tesla is a very volatile stock. And then it shows you some investor activity. These are just the people who are following Tesla, who newly followed Tesla. You can also see the biggest top news stories that's happening as it says 24 minutes ago, what's really going on with Elon Musk, the FAA, and Starship. And then, of course, you can share some feedback as well. Now, if you would like to, you can go to the right-hand side of where it says About and click Watch. And it basically means that this is your watch list. This is what you're following. So if we go back to our Invest page, you can see the watch list right here, and it says Tesla. It will tell you what the current price is. It will tell you what the popular stocks are. Right now it's Amazon, Tesla, Apple. This is by volume. What's trending? AMC and Gamestock are trending. I wonder why. And recent searches, what I've recently looked for. And I was recently looking at Tesla, RK, and IPOE, which happens to be SoFi. You can also see some popular investors that many people are following. So let's go to Michael Sack. You can follow him and see what his holdings are, see how much he's up. And that way you can see in real time what people are purchasing and how they're doing. You can also see some collections, so you can see the diversified portfolio. You can pick which one you want, and you can pick it to be aggressive, moderate, or conservative. And this is basically just a portfolio if you want to get started that will diversify your account to make sure it's not as risky. Let's go over here to crypto. And as I said, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum. Those are my 2 favorites. They have a lot of big potential and they're a really good hedge against inflation or against regulatory government policies. So we're just going to go to Bitcoin, buy now. And this is super easy. So you can buy dollars or you can buy coins. So let's buy $10. Review agreement, check the box, agree and continue. It's really super easy. And then just a review and you're done. And you can also do a recurring investment for Bitcoin as well. As you can see, I now have Bitcoin, and it says I have $9.87 in Bitcoin. It also says I have a pending $1 buy market. It is after hours right now, so that makes sense. You can see a market comparison, which is really nice. The S&P 500 right now is -2%. So that way you can compare your stock versus the whole stock market is doing right now. You can see the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, Russell, gold, US bonds, and Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin's the only thing that's up right now. And if you go over here, this is pretty cool as well. It's a leaderboard, and you can see how you rank versus all of the other traders in the whole community, which I think is pretty cool because then you can follow and pick the stocks that they have and pick the stocks that they like and see if that's a potential stock that you want to get involved in. You can enable this yourself. So you can see that Lewis Arkin actually is up 594%, which is amazing. As I said, you can check his profile, follow him, see what he holds. He holds GameStop, so yes, that's a reoccurring theme right now. Now, if you do want the automated investor profile, you will see something similar to this that says diversified portfolio. You won't be able to choose your stocks, but you will be able to choose whether you want it to be aggressive, moderate, or conservative. I would highly suggest aggressive for younger investors, moderate for mid-aged investors, and conservative for older investors. And then it says just how much you would like to invest in that. You can pick any of these or pick a custom number. and then it will automatically invest for you what it feels is most appropriate for an aggressive, moderate, or conservative stock portfolio. So that was the tutorial on SoFi. Hopefully you will start investing very soon. Please use the link below, and please comment to let me know what else you would like to learn about investing and finance. Remember, we're here to save the world and make you wealthy. Bye, Raylinaires!